right, fifth graders, this is our informational interactive notebook number 2 video. We are now moving on from inferencing to main idea of informational text. Now, main idea is, what is the author talking about? What is the main thing the author wants you to know about the passage? Okay. So what you're going to do is you are going to read this passage about owls, okay? Then you're going to identify what the main idea of the text is, and then in your own words, use 2 or 3 details from this text up here that support the main idea you listed, okay? Now, there is a main idea video I do want you guys to watch. It is going to be linked with this assignment, and it's called Main Idea BP for Brain Pop. And this goes over how to find a main idea in an informational text like this text is here, nonfiction informational. What I'd like you to do is watch this video for me. After you watch the video, I want you to read this passage and answer the 2 questions. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to reach out.